Okay, guys, I've come out here and, got my BB gun, and I've been killing stuff lately, and I decided that, you know what, I just don't want to kill stuff off camera anymore. If I kill something, y'all might not get to see it, but you might. So we're going to come down here. Ruger, you can't have it. And we're going to come down here and we're going to try to get us a bird. And if Ruger will be quiet, we might be able to catch one. Kill one, And I know where some good spots where some birds are, so I know I've killed them out of that tree, I've killed them out of that tree, killed them off the pear line, I've killed them off of that tree, and I've killed them off a bunch of them trees. So, yeah, we're just gonna go to our places and, see if we can kill one. So, you never can if you don't try. And you can't if you have a dog that wants your coonskin cap. So, oh, there's a water bottle. I'm going to see if I can get the shot. Just if I could get this thing to be higher, I believe I could get the shot on camera. So, yeah, I don't know how good y'all can see that water bottle, but I'm gonna zoom y'all in so you might be able to get a better view of it. So, I'm gonna try to prop the camera up. I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. Okay, that'll be good. Now, we're just gonna have to go with how the camera regularly is. Oh my gosh, guys, this is hard. Okay, I'm just gonna probably have to shoot with one hand so y'all can see the thingy better. So, there it is, taking the shot. I missed it! And I do hear a bird up in there. And I don't know where it is. I think I've got it located, I don't know. Okay, guys. I believe we're cocked again. See if we can get the shot on camera. Taking aim. I missed it again. Okay, guys, this is going to be hard to kill a bird. Because, if that water bottle was a bird, I couldn't have killed it with one hand. So, y'all are just going to have to watch me shoot like that. Okay, I missed it. Guys, if you don't like this, I'm just going to have to get closer. Okay, let's shoot from right here. And maybe I can actually get a better view. I think I'm actually going to put the camera right here. If I stood the water bottle up. I don't know, guys. This will be harder. Let's see. Y'all are just gonna have to watch this view of it. I'm just gonna prop y'all up right there. And I'm gonna come get the water bottle, and then I gotta put it over here. Then I gotta get the camera and get over here. See how good y'all can see the water bottle. I'm sorry if y'all can't see it, but I'm just gonna do my best. And I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me. Just listen for a pop, okay? 3, 2, 1, taking the shot. I hit it, guys. I hit it. I hit it. Did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? Yeah, that was me hitting the water bottle. Guys, I'm sorry if y'all don't like blood, but I found a leaf that has blood on it, okay? So that tells me somebody killed something over here. And it could have been me. Oh my gosh, guys. This is hard. I need to make sure that my gun is cocked. Because if my gun ain't cocked and I'm shooting at a bird, we ain't going to work out too good. Oh, I just spotted a bird. I spotted a whole flock of birds. Okay, guys. I spotted a nest. We're going to shoot up in it. See if anything flies out. Okay, nothing flew out. Oh, whoa! I don't know if y'all could see that, but thousands of birds just came. And there comes some more. I need to get my gun ready, don't I? I'm not the best hunter in the world, so if I don't kill one, don't get mad at me. I'm taking the shot, guys. I missed it. Here comes some more. Guys, I'm going to have to find a better stand for this because banging the jigger out. Okay, this ought to be good. Can y'all see that? Ooh. Okay. I've got it cocked. Now let's just mosey along over through here and see if we can get us a bird. I think my mommy was just yelling at me. What? I'm coming. And well, guys, I don't think we killed anything, but at least we tried. Can't kill none if you don't try, so, I mean, the title of this video was Bird Catching Cook, but, you know, we just never got us a bird, so I have killed a bird today, so if you didn't like that, I'm sorry, but there's my dog again, and there's my hammock, but yeah, we're walking up through here, and Ruger, you better not steal my hat, okay? You better not steal my hat. You better not steal my hat. You always got it, guys. So, sorry if you don't like this, but I'm going to zoom y'all into that fence down there. And then I'm going to take my rifle and I'm going to shoot the fence. Let's listen for a pack. Okay, guys? I missed it. Let's try that again. Let's try that again, guys. I hope we can hit it this time. Because this time, I'm actually going to have a better place to hit it. I'm actually going to take the rifle, and y'all can see the See, guys, I hit it that time. So, when I get up here, we're going to end the video and, you know, just, you know, you never can kill something if you don't try, but we tried. At least we tried. So, I am zooming this camera out, and I will see y'all on the next Catch and Cook.